What's up guys, it's Full FIFA here back in with another video, and today we got the brand new marquee matchups for week 2, and we did predict this in the last video. I got 3 out of the 4 right. However, I missed Spain and Switzerland. That was the oddball one, but let's just get into this. This is the cheapest solution, you guys will see. This is the first day, so just keep that in mind. So first off, we got France and Portugal. You needed silver players. They might be going up in price, so as soon as you see this, make sure you do it right away. You can just use any silver players, it really doesn't matter. This is what I came up with. I used these guys from the League 2 up front and to the left mid. I used, you don't need this gold card here, but he's the one who gave us a little bit of extra chem, and he's untradeable, so I used him. You can just use any bronze card right there. So this one is a pretty simple one if you guys just want to take a second and look how I did it. So you guys should try and use your own players from your club first. So let's just submit that. Don't show that message again. Next we got Italy versus Netherlands. So this one was kind of a little bit difficult just because I was trying to use all the untradeable players from my club, but this is what I came up with. This is the cheapest one that I could come up with using my untradeable players, so I'll just keep that in mind. This left wing is quite expensive, so you can just throw any left wing in there. So this is the layout that I used. And then we got Spain versus Switzerland. So this one was quite difficult to do just because of the players I was trying to use in my club. But so this is the layout that I used. These Switzerland players might be getting quite expensive now, so you want to buy them as quick as possible. So let's submit that as well. Lastly, we got England versus Belgium. So this is the lineup I use. These Belgian players are getting expensive, and again, do not use these English players back here. I used them because they were untradeable. You can use any Prem players. Just make sure they get a strong link. So this is the layout that I used. This was the cheapest I could find. And let's claim that. Let's go ahead and go open these packs now.